Namaste dosto. Welcome back to my vlog on Bali trip series. In this episode, we are going to cover day 5 and day 6 spent in Nusa Penida Island. It is a hilly island surrounded by beautiful beaches. So let's start. To reach the Nusa Penida Island, you need to take a ferry from Sanur port, which is around 20 kilometers from Ubud. So now we have come to Sanur airport. Now we'll take the ferry to Nusa Penida.
Hello.
From where you catch the ferry. Nice architecture this one. Sanur port काफी clean, well maintained और tourist friendly है. The ferry from Sanur to Nusa Penida Island ranges between 350k to 400k IDR, and the journey takes around 40 minutes. Two quick tips if you're traveling by ferry. First, board early to grab the best seat as seating is not allocated. Secondly, try to sit towards the front to get maximum air circulation because weather काफी hot और sunny होता है. So this is the Nusa Penida port. We have reached. So the car has come. Now we're heading towards the car. So you have to pay 25,000 IDR per person. That's the island ticket or the either entrance fee you can say. So this is you have to pay when you come to Nusa Penida port. He is collecting from everyone. So we have sat in the car and now you're going to the hotel. Our hotel name is the Sagar Penida. He's our tour guide. He's the boss. He's the boss of 3 cars.
boss.
Yes, we're the boss of 3 cars. So whoever is coming to Nusa Penida again, I'll give his number. All the Indians, take his number. Nusa Penida is a very small island with a radius of approx 200 kilometers and 45,000 population. And यहाँ पर बहुत ही beautiful sea facing resorts हैं. आप जहाँ भी रहेंगे कोई भी spot ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. We stayed at the Sagar Penida, which was in the center of the east and west coast, the main tourist spots of the island. Sagar Penida Hotel, and this is the view, guys. आप यहाँ से sea देख सकते हैं. Correct. The Sagar Penida. Just see the room.
अबे second floor भी है.
हाँ, duplex भी है दक्षिण. And this is a room at Nusa Penida. It's a duplex. You have a bed over there as well. And
There is another bed here.
yes.
Because there are 2 funny.
और यहाँ से आपका बीच व्यू है. This is sexy, guys. Just lovely. Nothing can beat this. And there is a duplex. Just look at it. This is a family room. You can see the view from here as well. The hotel was not very big, but the view was superb. It had a small infinity pool and a beautifully decorated dining area facing the ocean. This is very hot over here. Yes, very hot in Nusa Penida. We all are sweating. Sammy?
Yes, it's actually very hot.
And the strange part in Bali, the whole of Bali, they don't have the concept of fans. They have AC in the hotel rooms,
Fans
but
are
in neither in the restaurants, neither in the lobby, neither in the reception,
It's not in the
nowhere they don't have fans. But they have ACs. But the ACs also don't work that much properly. So now we all decked up to go to visit the east part of Nusa Penida. So Nusa Penida is a combination of slightly hilly area and the beach. So now we have come up to the hills. It's upside and you can see the beach there.
Welcome to Nusa Penida.
तो अभी हम लोग आए हैं डायमंड बीच. डायमंड बीच में आपका टिकट का प्राइस है 45K फॉर एडल्ट्स. किड्स अंडर 9 आर फ्री. So this is Diamond Beach. You can see the view, guys. काफ़ी ही अद्भुत, very beautiful. The water is crystal clear. If I have to rate this out of 10, this is definitely a 10 on 10, guys. The only difficult part is going down the stairs. It's very difficult. If you have to go down, you're going to be very tired after coming up. Just see the view. So now we are going downstairs. डायमंड बीच की तरफ जा रहे हैं. हाँ, ये देखिए गाइस, ये है व्यू. ऊपर चढ़ने में क्या होगा? Cheer! The kids are enjoying. सो जा. So the gang is having Vasani. We had lot of fun on Diamond Beach. सबने बहुत ही मस्ती किया, especially बच्चों ने. After Diamond Beach, we headed towards our next spot, which was the tree house. But since it was pretty late, we decided not to go down and just visited and came back. We are pretty late now. हमको थोड़ा सनशाइन रहते आना चाहिए था, तब उसका व्यू और ज़्यादा अच्छा आता. इसके नीचे जाके आपका ट्री हाउस है. इसको टाइटैनिक स्पॉट बोलते हैं. And इसके साथ ही Day 5 came to an end. We headed back to rest, excited for a fresh adventure the next morning, beginning with a delicious breakfast overlooking the blue waters. Hey, hello. Today is day 6. तो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं, नुसा पेनिदा में है. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं केलिंकिंग बीच और क्रिस्टल बीच, ब्रोकन ब्रिज. सब कोई डेक्ड अप है एकदम. So these are the two cars which we have hired. गाड़ी का रेंटल जो है 5,50,000 IDR. We got a very good deal. It's a 7-seater, like just like Maruti Suzuki Ertiga.
Angel Bilabong.
Okay.
Yeah, from there, Broken Beach.
Okay. So this one goes to Angel Billabong, and so Angel Billabong and Broken Beach are both side by side. This is going to Angel Billabong and that is Broken Bridge. We'll go there. तो ये है एंजल बिलाबोंग। If I have to rate, this is not so as beautiful as Diamond Beach, which we saw yesterday. कुछ खास है नहीं। And यहाँ पे ये queue है for taking pictures. They like Bollywood, huh? Bollywood?
Yeah, like
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan.
Salman Khan. Hrithik Roshan.
Kajol.
Kajol.
Yeah.
तो ये है Broken Bridge. There you can see.
ये क्या हुआ? ये क्या हुआ?
The water level is bit low. On a high tide, when there is a high tide, the water goes up to the level of the Broken Bridge. ये इतना पानी आता है कि आपको Broken Bridge पे आप खड़े होते हैं. That one is the Broken Bridge. We can go across there. You can see somebody standing there. So, Angel Billabong और Broken Beach देखने के बाद we headed towards Kelingking Beach. तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं Kelingking Beach. यहाँ पे आपको कोई टिकट नहीं लगेगा, जस्ट लाइक Broken Beach एंड Angel Billabong का भी कोई टिकट चार्जेस नहीं था। So this is the famous Kelingking Beach. It's a lovely view. You can go down there, but it's very difficult to go there. You can see the stairs. यहाँ से steps पे आपको जाना पड़ेंगे. It's difficult than Diamond Beach, but it's worth it if you go, if you manage to go. You can see there. Tell me, how's this?
Awesome. The view is spectacular.
Liking it?
Yes.
You can see the rush of the tourists in Kelingking Beach. काफी भीड़ है. Almost everyone who's come to Nusa Penida, they definitely come here. यहाँ पे प्रोफेशनल फोटो का 15,000 per person लेते हैं. They're standing in the queue. First they cut the ticket and they stand in the queue to get the picture clicked. You can see there. And these are the stairs to go down. We're trying to go somewhere. थोड़ा नीचे उतरेंगे. उतर के देखते हैं इसका व्यू कैसा आता है. तो Kelingking बीच हो गया. अभी हम लोग जाएंगे रेस्टोरेंट. से पहले रिफ्रेशमेंट हो रहा है. So cheers. तो अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं क्रिस्टल बीच. Kelingking बीच से ये 30 मिनट्स के डिस्टेंस में है. We had a lunch over there. So this is the last spot in Nusa Penida. So यहाँ पे जो प्लान है कि यहाँ पे सब kids and us we all will have take bath. यहाँ पे नहा के then we'll go back to the hotel. Unlike Diamond Beach and Kelingking Beach, Crystal Beach was not a white sand beach, but it was swimming friendly. And finally, we ended our day jumping in the pool. So now we come to the harbour. अब यहाँ से वापस हम लोग कूटा जाएंगे. सो नुसा पेनिदा में इफ़ यू कम आप ज़रूर रुके यहाँ पे 2-3 दिन रुकिए. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस प्लेस, वेरी नाइस आइलैंड, बट वेरी hot. We're just sweating a lot. With a heart full of beautiful memories, we finally said goodbye to beautiful Nusa Penida Island and made our way back to Kuta.